You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking on Discovery TV. Yes, you're looking at my breakfast here. This is my breakfast that I'm having today. I'm having some Soursop tea. Yes, my friends, Soursop tea. Yes, it's a very nice, delicious fruit that has been transformed into some crystal. And from that crystal, that is what they use to make this nice, delicious tasting tea. It is very flavorful and very delicious. And over here on my plate, I have some fried egg white. Yes, my friends, fried egg white without the yolk. And some Jamaican style fritters. Yes, some Jamaican style fritters. And yes, some sardine steak on my plate, seasoned down with onions and black pepper. Yes, and over here I have some nice romaine lettuce with salad dressing. So this is what I'm having for my breakfast here this morning. Trying to have a balanced breakfast, my friends. A balanced breakfast to stay healthy, to keep my health going. Yes, and see this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. That's my Soursop tea. Yes, and this is my Jamaican style breakfast. And you see this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Tell me if you like it. Yes, make sure you comment and tell me if you like it. Again, fry egg whites and sardines and romaine lettuce with salad dressings and fried flour fritters. Yes, seasoned with some black pepper and some salt. Yes. Thank you for watching.